Hey, this is Chris Carter. I'm here at 113 Eastland Avenue at the newest property we have available for rent to own. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, big house. We still got a little landscaping to do, cutting down some of these bushes, but it's pretty much done. So I'm going to go ahead and take you on the tour. The last time we were in here, they were still renovating it. So everything in this house is brand new. Look at those hardwoods sparkle. They've all been refinished throughout the house. All the floor coverings are brand new. When you enter, this is a nice living room area. You can put your big screen TV on the wall. You walk into the open concept kitchen. Let me just step back so you can just see how big it is. Got a huge space for your dining room table. All the countertops are brand new. The cabinets have all been painted and refinished. Stainless steel appliances. There's a second living room down here. You can see that we've completely tiled the entire thing with a real wood burning fireplace. This is also where you can see this is really big too. Some people might use this as another bedroom, maybe a man cave. We have the utility room in there. Got the hookups for the washer and dryer. Real quick, we'll come back out here in a second, but it's just got a huge detached garage. Plenty of parking space. As you can see, just the parking keeps going and going. Big yard. I think it's on about an acre. It's already fenced in, so bring your animals. Let your young children come out here and play in the back, or your grown children, either one. All right, we're gonna go back inside. As I said, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 113 Eastland Drive in Smyrna, Tennessee. Brand new floor coverings throughout, refinished hardwood floors. Man, they look good. Brand new paint everywhere. My favorite part about this house is all the windows. It's just got so much light that comes in, natural light. So you really don't even need all the brand new light fixtures that we put up. Here's another bedroom, excuse me. It does have a half bath with the brand new vanities, toilet, brand new tile. Let's see, the full bath has been completely remodeled. Custom tile work from a really good tile contractor that we know. Look how pretty that looks. Brand new tub. Again, new countertops in the bathroom. We'll take you back out through the kitchen, and we'll end out here in the backyard. This house is not going to last long. Obviously, you don't find these completely renovated big ranch style houses anymore. Actually, right before we get out of here, I'm going to open up this 2-car garage workshop. Excuse our contractors, left some stuff in here, but it's unfinished, but it would be just a fantastic workshop for somebody, in addition to someplace to store your vehicles. So again, probably blown out right now, but this is Chris Carter with Carter Realty. Feel free to give me a call, 615-430-3255. This house won't last long. We look forward to speaking with you. Thanks.